Okay, here is the second half of our week number 2 daily language review. So the first sentence says, me and my cousin is reading the book Runaway Retriever, right? We have to write the sentence so that it's grammatically correct. So it has the right punctuation, yes, at the end, a period, has the right capitalization throughout, but it's not me and my cousin. It should be my cousin and I. And it's not is reading, it's are reading. So if it's more than one person, it should be are, not is. They're reading the book Runaway Retriever. So Runaway Retriever is capitalized, which it should be because it's the title of the book. If you were typing this, it should be italicized because it's the name of a book. But since we can't do that because we're writing it by hand, then you would underline it. Okay? Much like the week 1 daily language review had, sorry, a cat just joined me. See? The week 1 daily language review had, it was, sorry, I'm blanking here. It was the name of, it was Sea Explorer. It was the name of a magazine. That went in quotation marks though. So books get underlined, names of like poems and magazines and things like that, articles, those go in quotation marks. Okay, number 2. It's about a boy that gets a dog, so the dog follows him everywhere. Sid, you have to get out of the way, please. Hope you guys find this entertaining. So, this one, there's really not a whole lot wrong with it. You just need to change that so to an and then that he to a him. So it's about a boy that gets a dog, and the dog follows him everywhere. Sid. Sorry, guys. Okay. He's just trying to help. The next question says, write the missing word. Okay, so when there's a blank, it gives us 3 choices, just like above. He tries to leave his dog in the house, but it can always get out. Sounds like that could be right. He tries to leave his dog in the house, but it should always get out. Dog should not always get out. Although it makes sense grammatically, the dog doesn't make sense in context. He tries to leave his dog in the house, but it might always get out. I think it would be can, right? Based on the sentence before that says the dog follows him everywhere, right? And the book's called Runaway Retriever. I think it's can. It should be can. And then the last one, choose the correct word to complete this analogy. So if you don't know, analogies is where you have 2 things that are somehow related and then you compare them to 2 other things that are related the same way. So balloon is to string, as dog is to, and we have to figure out which one. Now, there's ear, bark, bone, and leash. They are all related to a dog somehow, but you have to choose the one that matches it the way balloon and string go together. So think about a balloon does have a string, right? But you use that string to hold on to the balloon. So a dog does have an ear, but you don't hold on to their ear, right? They have a bark, but you don't hold on to it to keep control of the dog. Same with a bone, which is why leash would be your answer, right? A balloon is the string, as dog is to a leash. Okay, so leash is your answer. Just write choice D on there, and that's what you should have. And like I said in my last video, I'll take a picture of this and also post this in the classroom. If you have any questions about this, or you're confused at all, or what I said didn't make sense, please email me and I can explain. See ya.